Hello guys, hello everyone. Guys, today I am making jollof rice, you guys. You guys, let's make some jollof rice. So guys, as you all can see in here, I have some turkey wings. So I'm going to add all the seasoning that I'm going to use for this turkey wings, you guys. So let's get started. In here, I have some bay leaves, curry, thyme, nutmeg, seasoning cube. So yeah, I also have some rosemary, you guys. So those are the ingredients I have inside this pot. So now I'm going to add seasoning cube, which is a jumbo seasoning cube. You guys know that I love to cook with this jumbo. I also love to cook with other seasoning, you guys, but most of the time I use a jumbo seasoning, you guys. So here I'm going to also add some onions, to give it that sweet aroma. Yep, you guys. Now I've put the pot on top of the stove for the turkey wings to cook. So you guys, at the beginning I did not add water, okay? I did not add water into the pot. I just stirred the turkey wings for all the ingredients to combine, you guys. So after that I'll cover it up for some minutes before we add some water into it, you guys. So yeah, I've still not add any water into it, okay? So yeah, we'll later add water, alright you guys. So yeah it is guys, after some minutes of cooking, the turkey wings is done. It is ready. You guys know that this most of this video that we usually post on YouTube or Facebook, we normally fast forward them, okay? Because they are very long video. There's no way you guys is going to be able to watch video of almost 40 something minutes, 50 minutes. So the thing we do before we post it is to fast forward the video so that it will be short for you guys to watch, okay? So after cooking the turkey wings, yeah, I have my pot which I used to parboil the rice that I'm going to use for this jollof rice, you guys. So yeah, yes, the rice. Yeah, so the rice is I've parboiled the rice, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside. So here's the turkey wings. I'm going to fry the turkey wings, you guys. While the turkey wings is frying, I'm going to blend my peppers. In this blender, I have red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, habanero pepper, and some onions, you guys. Why do I have so much color of bell pepper? Because those bell peppers are leftover bell peppers that I use for other cooking, okay? For them not to spoil, I decided to use it for this jollof rice, which is it is optional, okay? So you can decide to only use a red bell pepper, all right? So here I only have that three colors bell pepper because they are left over, okay? They are the ones that I use for other cooking, okay, you guys. Yep. So here in this pot, you guys, here I'm frying some onions and my tomatoes paste, you guys. My camera was just shaking. The camera not grip position, not be smart, you know. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm frying this tomatoes paste that I'm going to use. After frying the onions to the taste that I want it to be, then I add tomatoes paste. So you guys, I fried this tomatoes paste. Oh, I fried nonsense come up for the tomatoes paste as well because tomatoes paste. Some tomatoes paste have this strong taste, right? They have this strong taste, this sour taste that yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. So I make sure that I fry it. Yeah, guys. After frying it, then I add the the bell peppers that I blend into it. So in here, I'm also adding some ingredient. I add a little bit of curry, a little bit of nutmeg, very little, okay? Because in the turkey wing stock that I'm going to use, the turkey wing stock that I'm going to use already have those ingredients in it, so I did not need to add much into the tomatoes sauce that I'm going to use for the jollof rice, okay, you guys? So yeah, after frying it for some time, I'm going to bring in the rice, you guys, okay? I'm going to bring the rice after frying it for some time, you guys. So as you can see, all the oil in this tomatoes paste have already come up. This is how you will know that your stew, your tomatoes sauce is ready. Okay, when you see all the oil coming up like this, you know that yeah, it is ready. Okay, you guys. So This is what I'm doing here. After here, I'm going to bring the rice, okay? I'm going to add the rice into the pot. The rice for the jollof rice. Guys, I did not use long grain rice, okay? Sorry, guys. So the rice that I use for this jollof rice is not long grain rice, okay? It's just normal rice, normal, those short rice. That is not long one, okay? It's the one that I use. Long rice is also good for jollof rice. It give it that beauty. But here, I'm using short rice. Short rice. I know you guys understand what I'm talking about. This basmati rice that is very long, okay? So it's not basmati rice that I'm using here. I'm just using normal rice. Yeah, as you guys can see, you guys. So after turning the rice and after stirring the rice inside the tomato sauce for the tomato sauce to combine with the rice, so I bring in the turkey wing stock that I was talking about. Okay, so I add the turkey wing stock into the rice. Yep, I'll cover it up for some minutes. I did not add much water into this jollof rice because I want that flaky jollof rice, that jollof rice that is very scanty. I don't know if I'm explaining it well to you guys. Yeah, so I did not add too much water to it, okay? So what I will do now is to cover it up with aluminium for you guys. I'm going to cover it up with this aluminium paper. You guys know what is aluminium paper, right? So I'm going to cover it up with it for the rice to done with the heat because I don't want the heat to go out, okay? So yeah, we are cooking jollof rice and you did not want to add much water in it. So what you do is to cover it up with aluminum paper like this so that the heat will not go outside. The heat will not go out, okay? You can see no heat coming out, right? Yeah, that is what I mean, you guys. Yeah, after covering it up for some time, I will have to stir the rice just the way I'm doing it. I did not stir it that much because jollof rice. Sometimes it will look like there is many water in it while the rice is burning at the bottom of the pot. So what you will do is to use your turning stick or your spoon to be doing it the way you saw me doing it, right, like this. Okay, I'm not going to turn it that much, but I'm going to be doing it this way so that the water on top can go to the down of the pot, you guys. Okay, please pardon me the way I'm explaining it to you guys in case I'm making any mistake. So you guys pardon me. Voiceover no easy. Yeah. So yeah, it is, you guys. What I'll do now, I'm going to add some margarine. Okay, what is jollof rice without butter or margarine? You can use butter, you can use margarine, but here I'm going to be using margarine, you guys. I'm going to add some margarine to this jollof rice. Okay, this margarine gives your jollof rice this beautiful aroma, this delicious aroma. Is aroma beautiful or aroma is delicious? I can smell a beautiful aroma. Oh my god. So yeah. So I'll just add that butter to it. That butter also help for the rice not to not to gum. For the rice not to stick together. Okay, if you don't want your rice to stick together, just add some butter to it. It will make it continue, guys. Yeah, so my people. Hope you guys like this video, okay? Hope you like it. So guys, for the turkey wings, I'm going to make some pepper turkey. I'm also going to leave some just like that without adding pepper to it. So at the end, my favorite was the one that I use pepper to make. Okay, this pepper turkey was the best from the other one. The other one was good. It was also delicious, but I prefer the one that I use pepper. So thank you guys for watching. God bless you as always. Please subscribe you guys. So yep guys. So thank you all for watching. God bless you. Mwah, love you.